Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about Java, its history and various features of Java which makes it really special. So Java was developed by James Gosling in 1991. He was working in Sun Microsystem and he and his team developed Java. Now, even though it was developed in 1991, the first version of Java, that is Java 1, was released publicly in 1995. Currently, we are using the latest version which have been released is version 8, and that was really version 8 update 161. If you go to the website of Java, you would get that this was released on Jan 16, 2018. So this Java 8 is the latest version that we are using now. Java was acquired by Oracle in 2010. Now we are going to see various features of Java. First of all, Java is an object-oriented language. Now what does it mean that a language is object-oriented? Basically, even if you have to write a small program in Java, you will have to write it in a class. And that class will consist of the methods and variables, and not necessarily methods. You can, under main method, you can just write the code. But the thing is that any small program you want to make in Java, you will have to make it under a class, and that is accessed, the various members of the class are accessed by its object. So that is why it is called object-oriented language. So we can say that Java is 99% object-oriented language. Now the remaining 1%, which we would say is procedural in Java, are the primitive data types in Java, like int, like byte, short, char. These are the data types. These primitive data types are also used in Java, because of which we cannot say that Java is 100% object-oriented language. Next thing which is very important in Java and very striking feature of Java, we can say, is that Java code is compiled as well as interpreted. So because of this, it makes Java a very portable, machine independent, architectural neutrality is there because of this feature, because of the JVM, and we'll just learn about it more in detail. Because of this, Java is a portable. What does it mean being portable? Is that you can transfer the code easily from one system to other, and you can write code once, whereas suppose you have written a piece of code in Windows, you can run the same code in Linux operating system, in Mac operating system, etc, etc. So Java is very portable. Now I will tell you, if we look at the workflow, that what happens when you write a code in Java. So what happens is that we write a Java program, it is compiled by Java compiler, and bytecode is generated. Now this bytecode is nothing but the machine language of JVM. So basically, suppose you have written a code, say in one Windows machine, it will be compiled and then it will be converted into bytecode. Now you can transfer this code into another system which is having some other operating system. Now this bytecode will be interpreted by the interpreter of Java, which is also called JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which is a software which converts bytecode into it interprets the bytecode so that the output is generated. So basically you can write the program once in Java and you can run it in different environments easily. So this feature is very important. It gives the portability in Java. If we look at the other features of Java, Java is a very secure language. Java web-based applications are created using Java, and in web-based application, security is very important. So the different features of Java, for example, the bytecode which we saw previously, that feature gives gives it very it makes it very secure. Also the features like the pointers which were used in C++, that is not there in Java. So a lot of features from C++ is taken in Java, but few others are discarded, like we do not use pointers which can actually access the address directly. So those kind of features are not there, which makes it a very secure language. Next thing is Java supports multi-threading. It is so what does it means? Multi-thread is nothing but a lightweight process. Now you can take, suppose you are working on a computer, and your operating system supports multitasking, which is nothing but that you can also listen to music, as well as you can use a you can make PPT, you can use Microsoft Word, so you can do different tasks at once. Similarly, a particular application can also be there which needs which require user to do multiple things at once. For example, so if you look at like MS Word, you are typing and it is doing a spell check, and also it is doing auto save of the content. So basically lot of different tasks are being performed at one, different process are being performed at once. So Java supports this. Java supports multi-threading. Java is dynamic in nature. Even if you make dynamic changes to the piece of code, the program is not affected. Libraries can be dynamically linked during runtime. So that is why we say that Java is dynamic. Also, it is distributed. It uses a lot of internet-based protocols like FTTP, HTTP, etc. And there is a package in Java which is java.net, which supports various level of network connectivity. It has a lot of classes which supports different levels of network connectivity. So so that is another important feature of Java. And Java is also robust in nature. If you think that your code can produce an error, exception, there are ways to handle it in Java. So Java supports exception handling. Then there is pointers are not used in Java. So these kind of features make it really robust. And apart from all this, Java is easy to learn. If you know C, C++, it will be very easy for you to learn Java. A lot of features from C++ is also present in Java. And also definitely all the object-oriented programming features are also there. So this was the first lesson on Java where we saw the features of Java. Now in the next video and video series, we'll be seeing different will proceed further in Java. I will be uploading the videos. I hope that you have found this video helpful. Thank you.